Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set Honda Pilot seats. To begin, locate the power controls on the left side of your driver's seat. Use the long horizontal bar to move the seat forward or backward, finding your ideal distance from the pedals. Then, adjust the seat height with the same control, pushing up or down. Finally, recline the seat back using the separate lever for a comfortable driving posture. Moving to the second row, passengers can also find their perfect position. Look for the lever or strap at the base of the seat to slide it forward or backward, increasing legroom or cargo space. To recline, find the lever on the side of the seat back. For extra versatility, the center seat often folds down, providing easy access to the third row or a handy armrest. Accessing the third row is simple. Just slide the second row seats forward using their respective levers. When you need more cargo room, the third row seats fold down easily. Locate the straps or levers on the back of the seats, pull them, and gently push the seat backs flat into the floor. This creates a large, versatile cargo area for all your gear. Many Honda Pilot models offer memory seat functions, allowing you to save your preferred driving position. Simply set your seat, then press and hold the set button followed by your desired number, like 1 or 2. Don't forget to adjust the lumbar support for your lower back, often a separate button on the seat side. Always double-check that all seats are securely latched after any adjustments for safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.